We got a massive shipment in of stuff, and we're gonna unbox it all and show you guys what we bought. Some may say we bought too much, but I say it's never enough. PR says we bought too much, but I say it's never enough. So I did want to show these. We picked these up today, actually, at our local thrift store. So we've got Spec Ops: The Line, which at one point was a very sought-after game because it got delisted due to, is it copyright licenses of music or something?
Yeah.
So this went up to like, it was like over $100, I think, or at least close to it anyway. So people were super into it. We're buying a bunch of them, and it's not worth quite as much. I think it's worth like 20 bucks now. We picked it up for $7. We also picked up MX Superfly, which was just a me purchase because I like it. And then we got Black Ops 2, which is just a classic that always sells. And then we got Lego Lord of the Rings, which surprisingly is around 20 bucks. So those are just some games we got. I'm gonna try and organize these by console. This is gonna be a nightmare. Okay, here's our first box from Gamers HQ. The best part is we have so much room in this little tiny shop to put a box for a video I want to do in the future, and it is. I'm not even gonna go through these now. This is a box of 17 Xbox Series X controllers, and I'm gonna do a future video on these. I did a video where I fixed 12 or 13, I can't even remember, Xbox One controllers, so this will be a future video. Look forward to that. This one's already open because I got excited. So this is 10 Game Boy and GBA games, maybe more. I'll get close and see these. We have a wireless GBA adapter. Okay, we got Yu-Gi-Oh! Sacred Cards.
Oh, yeah.
We got Spyro Attack of the Rhinots.
There you go.
We got Donkey Kong Land 3. Bomberman. That's cool. Dr. Mario. Can you even see because of the light? Okay, we got a PlayStation 2 memory card or PS1.
Okay.
It looks hammered. Harry Potter. Just Harry Potter.
Yeah.
We don't know which one, just Harry Potter.
Wait, hold it up again.
I'm gonna say Harry Potter Quidditch. Because he's riding the broomstick.
Yeah, I can't even tell what.
We got Yu-Gi-Oh! World Championship Tournament 2004.
That's the good one.
That's the good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got 3 Yu-Gi-Oh! Games in there. Then we got Yu-Gi-Oh! Eternal Duelist Soul.
Oh, yeah.
Watch it be like the bad one, Cole, that's worth money, and the good one's worthless.
Like I said, it probably is.
Okay, well, I already told Luke that anything that doesn't sell or doesn't work is coming out of his paycheck. So. he's the one that's buying.
Pretty hard for him to say when he doesn't ever write a check.
Do you write checks?
Yeah.
Nobody writes checks anymore.
In the...
Oh, okay, so this... I have a broken Wii U gamepad that the bumpers wasn't working, and it's because of these traces. So I bought 2 new ones of these from China before all the tariffs kick in, right? Maybe they kicked in, I don't know. Okay, we got a game, or a Nintendo DS Fat. Oh, nice.
Oh, that's looking really good.
That's looking
Here, hold it up
so
to the camera.
good, dude. I've never seen one in better shape.
You got stickers all over.
Yeah, we got a flame sticker. What else have we got here? It is a Skylander. Okay, we got Fruit Ninja VR.
Heck yeah.
Required. These are all VR games. Super Hot, VR. It's in there. Rick and Morty
VR.
VR. And Skylander SWAT Force.
With
But
Call
it's
of Duty.
it's actually Call of Duty 4 remastered.
Yeah. We just have people show up.
They're like, hey, can we be in your next video? We want to talk to HR.
we wanna fix
we want
the
to see what
Felix.
HR's reaction is when you open up stuff.
You want to steal that Eggo box in the background?
I paid a total of $55. Oh, no, with shipping. $82.69 for whatever's in this box. It's just straight hacking peanuts. We got an Xbox 360 controller. Corroded batteries.
Nice.
Missing the faceplate. Wonder if it works. GameStop refurbished.
Power
Looks like-
cable.
Yeah, power cable, video cable. I used to hate hacking peanuts. I mean, I still hate having to clean them up. But they definitely make shipping a breeze.
I would speed up this part of the video.
Then we have an Xbox 360 Slim. And the Lego box next. This one. I'm
Oh.
excited for.
I didn't realize that was.
This is just
I,
our breakfast.
I thought that was a random Eggo box. Just
This is just our breakfast.
so someone's like, "Wait, what are we gonna pack this in?" Well, we bought those 60 waffles earlier this week.
Well, I've shipped in shoeboxes before. Okay, we've got Over G Fighters. Tito 9 owned that one.
Yep.
I'm gonna quickly run out of room on here if I don't do some stuff. NBA 2K7 banger. Mirror's Edge.
Max Payne 3.
Is that what it is?
Yep.
How do you know? Gosh, he knows. Fallout 3. Fable 3. Halo 3.
Madden 3.
Madden 11. Which
Perfect
one were
Dark
you-
0 or
Perfect
whatever it was.
Dark. Got Splinter Cell Double Agent. Minecraft.
Minecraft.
Army of Two.
Steve.
Dead Island. And
Oblivion.
Oblivion. Oh, this, by the way, this box I paid $62 for, I believe. We got NASCAR. And then we have Wolfenstein.
Yeah, it's actually worth a good amount.
And then we have another football game. Wow.
Another Madden, and then another Madden.
Another football game. And NHL. And Lego Indiana Jones. I have never actually seen the disc only of this, like just it by itself. I've only ever seen it with the Kung Fu Panda double pack. Lost Planet Extreme Condition. It's in there.
Nice.
GTA 4.
In there with the
is
map.
in there. Does it have the map?
Yeah. Looks like.
No.
No?
No map.
No.
We got Ninja Gaiden 2 for the 360.
Nice.
Need for Speed Hot Pursuit. Ghost Recon Future Soldier. And Halo Reach.
Halo Reach.
Minecraft Story Mode.
Nice.
We tried playing this one time on Netflix.
How was that?
I think we got 2 hours in, and then somebody realized that I didn't hit the record button, and then we stopped.
Nice.
We never played.
We never played it again. Another copy of Fable 3.
Nice.
Does this have the poster? Oh my gosh. It has the poster. I had this poster on my
Looks sick.
desk for the longest time when I was growing up. Tony Hawk's Shred. Halo 3 ODST.
Look right on the back.
CT Car 10110 HB2B 2710 Battlefield 3 Ultimate
With
Edition.
75 discs in there.
There's only 2. Rainbow Six Vegas 2. I should just be pulling these out, dude.
And then we got waffles.
I got all those Dangerous Hunts 2013. Gotta be like a dude's video game store.
Oh, is that the Forza one? Or no?
I mean, the label is. 2K13. Quake 4. I've never actually seen this. And it's got... Oh, that's a cracked disc. They stuck the manual as the label. Gears 2. It's a very fun game. Got Ghost Recon Future Soldier. I think there's a second copy of this we have. Biggest Loser.
Yes.
The guy just threw it in there. He's like, I know you guys are all fat and drink Pepsi every day. Fallout 3.
Nice. Is that Game of the Year? Or...
No. Dragon Age Origins. And the Batman Arkham City.
It's like the 5th copy we have.
Oh baby, this one's packed nice. No receipt though. Big freaking rubber band. Okay, we got Final Fantasy Tactics. God of War 2. I don't think this one's worth much, is it?
Yeah,
It's got both discs. Ford Racing 2. We got Grandia 2. This is the one you're talking about.
Yeah.
Let's check the disc.
Yeah, hopefully it's alright.
Yeah, looks good. And then we got DDR Max Dance Dance Revolution. We got The Legend of Zelda Gold Cart. We have Knockout Kings for the PlayStation 1.
Nice.
John Madden Football for the PlayStation 1.
Nice.
That's not even PlayStation. This is for the 3DO. That's PS1. We got PS2, 2K5 Football.
Nice.
We got John Madden, 99, 98, FIFA 99.
What is this for?
Knockout Kings again. We got Gran Turismo, looks like 2 discs. Well, we're missing disc 1. We got Harry Potter, which it is in there.
Good.
It's in pretty good condition. An NES with spider webs. Do we have a bonus game? Nope. Really. There's a bunch of extra parts. There's an Xbox. All wrapped up in the lid. So nice. And then we've got 2 more inside here.
Nice.
Yep. And we got another one right here. I don't know what to do, Luke. Save me. Just put it back. Put it back where I found it. Hide it from PR. It's like a Series X controller. Chassis. We have a Mad Catz. Oh gosh.
Oh god.
Hey, we have a Atari controller. Okay, we have a Rat's Nest.
Oh my god.
An SNES controller, an NES controller, and a Mad Catz GameCube controller.
The NES controller
And
is
an
missing
Atari.
an A button or a B button.
Okay. We have. It's a GameStop official controller. I think it's
Nice.
a PlayStation controller. It's freaking tiny, dude. We have an NES, no power. Dude. Works, needs new disk drive laser. And it has the hard drive.
Nice.
But I don't think it's what you're talking about, Will.
It's not, but like, I don't know. I'd have to do more research. There might be like some that do.
Yeah. Another original Xbox.
Here we go. Here's another.
Look at that. Another original Xbox. It's like it says drive missing, top clean. Another PS.
Nice.
No faceplate. Boom. Bop, bop, boom.
It's pretty nice.
Oh, and the disk drive's cracked. that's it for today's how much crap that we buy. Me. I won't blame anyone else. That's it. Now I gotta spend the next week or two, and you too, helping me test all this.
Test this.
Well, see you on the next one.